the very first moments, you feel something you've never felt before. Electric sensations run through your muscles. You want to laugh and dance. You breathe deeper, and as you inhale, the colors you see saturate and bend into fractals. The environment around you looks like it's breathing. You have left the confines of your last reality and have entered into new sensational territory. You will be here for the next 9 hours. As your mind bends to explore and understand this new reality, you brace yourself for the journey in your mind.
Psychopharmacologist Dr. Ronald Siegel suggests that the human urge to intoxicate is so strong that it is the fourth most primal instinct after hunger, thirst, and sex. Psychoactives were actually an important role in the development of human society. Archaeologists have provided fossil evidence that shows we humans have used psychoactive plants for 10,000 years during cultural, ritualistic ceremonies. So, let's take it to the 20th century. A Swedish pharmacist, Albert Hofmann, was looking to synthesize a respiratory and circulatory stimulant, or analeptic, with no effects on the uterus. He began studying the medicinal plant squill and the fungus ergot as part of a program to purify and synthesize active constituents for use as pharmaceuticals, and in the process created lysergic acid diethylamide.
Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that exist within your brain that help transmit and modulate information. They're released from the synaptic vesicles into the synaptic cleft, where they're received by receptors on the target cells. About 100 different neurotransmitters have been discovered, and each carries out a variety of actions throughout the body. These chemicals bind to specific sites where the neurotransmitter unlocks the receptor, similar to a lock and key. This lets your brain know that certain information was exchanged, and this information typically releases an electrical signal, causing activation. Now, lysergic acid diethylamide has a structure that is very similar to the naturally occurring neurotransmitter serotonin. Serotonin is a vital neurotransmitter used to modulate and signal a variety of things like sleep, memory, and especially sensory and emotional processing. LSD seems to be even better at activating serotonin receptors than serotonin itself. LSD can bind more successfully to the receptor, increasing serotonin signals and opening the receptor, receiving more messages. This increased interconnectivity while under the influence of LSD combined with the increased sensory input often results in something known as synesthesia, or mixing of the senses, meaning a person could experience one sense across multiple senses. In other words, they might see sound, taste colors, or feel smells. Due to the harsh criminalization of psychedelic substances, there's still much scientific uncertainty when it comes to how LSD affects the brain and how it could be used therapeutically. But what we do know gives us a clearer picture of why people might feel reborn or awakened during or after a trip. They are literally perceiving the world in a more profound way, and in ways they otherwise could have never imagined.